YouTube, yo. Okay, now, what's up? It's your boy Traveling Hustle Rio. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to my YouTube channel, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button, the like button, share button, man. Run my numbers up, man. Travel Hustle Rio on YouTube, man. Y'all make sure y'all tune in to my channel, man. I got a lot of stuff I'm about to get ready to do on this channel, man. I'm gonna be going to the NO 2025 Mardi Gras with Mama Nita, you know, Toya, Casey, Walt, Beatty. We're going down to Canal Street. We on Riverside. We going to the up under the bridge. You know what I'm saying? We got the pouches for sale. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the French Market. You know what I'm saying? We getting on the boat. You know, my first time on the boat, so y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. I got a lot of stuff coming, man. I'm building my studio, my content creation studio, man. Let me show y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's my little project I'm gonna be working on. You know, I got all my blocks and my pallets and stuff, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man. It's a lot of traveling and hustling finna be going on, man. Traveling, hustling, Rio. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button. Run my numbers up. I'm gone. Okay, now. Okay, now. Okay, now. Yeah. Boy cooking out the U-Haul, man. Cooking out the U-Haul. That's fine. That's real fast.
A lot of bad hoes, a lot of rich niggas, a lot of blue money, a lot of pink people, a couple
where y'all going?
I live my niggas with them, no relations with them, we just throwing dick, girl. You know what you doing when you doing it with your tongue, baby. You know what you doing to make a nigga like me strong, baby. You know what you doing, make that nigga throw some water, baby. You know what you doing, coming through, make you come, baby.
Okay, now. Dick, boy. Damn, that's crazy. Indian baby. Damn. tag good footage. I'm getting good footage.
Why was he having that? No.
Oh, yeah? Okay. So I'm recording everybody.
Hey.
Recording everybody. Goddamn thick, boy. She ain't gonna.
Somebody record my booty. Say nothing now. She don't want to bend over.
Them damn dogs expensive as hell right now, boy. Really? That bitch is expensive.
25 home.
Right now?
Yeah. And start acting up.
Stay like this all day.
That little bit without the car?
She jumped out the car, seen one of her ops, and went to business on the car. That shit crazy. Why call that shit this on time? Yeah, I got it. You know I got it.
Hi y'all, this is Mama Nita. I'm at the French Market. We're at the French Market. It's all the things I like here. Feeling New Orleans, y'all. So we are searching up the French Market, y'all. Watching all the things we see we like.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where's your dad at?
He right there. We at the French market. Yeah.
See the buckets? See how the buckets like that?
Yeah. We bucket like that.
Next Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
Hey.
How you doing?
You looking good.
We watching the shit out of y'all.
We was just watching y'all shit. I love that cousin
Thank
Rio.
you.
Come on, get
I
it.
sure hate you couldn't make it right.
See y'all later.
Yeah, we still up in here, y'all. Look at all the things we got up here. Look. This is the French market, y'all, in New Orleans.
It's a French market right here, huh?
Yeah, this is the French market. We got all kinds of things.
French
This is
market.
what I love about New Orleans, y'all. This
Yeah.
is what we love about New Orleans.
Yeah.
Sightseeing and all the things that New Orleans got. We got good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Okay. We in the French market.
I want to open me one over these up in French Quarters. Mama Nita's French Quarters.
Mama Nita's in the French quarters. We
Mama
need a
Nita
rest.
French Quarters,
Yeah,
y'all.
y'all make that. Let's make that happen for us, man. We're gonna put a restaurant right in the French quarters. Mama
Look,
Nita's.
look at all my babes and all that, baby. Yo, look. Yeah. All the hot sauces and all that.
Oh, they cooking it live right now. They cook. Look at it. He got it going right now. Getting all
I
the.
received somebody just now was on the con and she said, we can't. She said, I'm kin to the Holdens. I said, the Holdens? I said, girl, that's
Also, you should be posting all of them.
Oh, I got it.
This is what I
Though.
want to open up one day, y'all.
I got it though. I like
I want to
that.
open up.
Stuff like this.
kitchen.
Yeah, open kitchen.
Open kitchen.
Sitting up, whipping it up, right there in front of your face. In front of your face, right there.
Put your face, y'all. Look. Nice.
Yeah, I like this though.
Come on, let's go now.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it moving, y'all.
Shrimp taco.
Oh, we got shrimp, jambalaya. Okay.
Look at this, take a picture of a smoothie. These are the healthy smoothies, y'all.
Healthy smoothies right here. Get you a healthy smoothie. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Banana, banana, look.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Healthy
Organic
foods,
banana.
all the
Okay.
healthy stuff.
We gotta come back and try them out one day. We're gonna come back and try them out. We're gonna come back.
What she used to walk through. She used to
Yeah.
walk through there with her mom.
Yeah, this Mama Nita section right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this Mama Nita section right here. Hey, how y'all doing? Putting y'all on YouTube too. Fuck that.
Look, that's my own section.
Oh shit, we need y'all to get Mama Nita up in here, y'all. Yeah. We gotta make this happen. We're gonna make this happen. Everybody on YouTube, y'all go tell everybody we gotta get in the French quarters with it. We're going to the French quarters with it.
In French Quarter mode.
Yeah, French Quarter mold. Cut it off. Shit, boy, what? They gonna sell.
Look at you, look. Look at the black cat in the 7 wall. 7 wall black cat, boy.
Damn.
How much are these?
That's 70.
$70.
Yeah, I'm a
Yeah, bag. It's a backpack and a
backpack.
yeah, cute.
Like they handmade too.
This where y'all can come and shop in New Orleans when y'all come.
Yeah.
French market. And I'm gonna be in here one day in my place. Hi, sure. Oh.
I'm from Chicago. Then I moved to Minnesota, but my mom was born here. In New Orleans. Let me see.
How y'all doing?
You so short. I thought you was tall.
No, I'm short. And you short too. Short.
You want to take a picture of that? That's big. Thank you.
How you doing?
That's 20. I mean, yeah. I thought that was our cousin. It's our cousin. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Them it right there. Them it right there. Ooh. Look at the I like the
All that
material.
material like that.
Just like this.
Just like that.
Look at that.
Just like that. Look at this here.
Yeah.
That material. Just like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's some good. Yeah, that's that good material. Yeah.
All my material I want.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah. Talking about for the moo. The moo.
Good material.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Yeah, we can use them. We can use them.
You can make them in cold.
Use them.
Time and all kinds of things.
Yeah, for the moo-moos. Yeah. Let me get this on camera. They said the dude that made these in there.
You need to get him to do something for you, man.
Yeah.
All this.
Let me get some of this right here.
People used to sit right here.
Let me get some of this right now.
Yeah, people used to sit right here all the time, right there.
Yeah.
You can sit down. Don't go sit down.
Yeah, well, I gotta get a ticket, but I gotta get a ticket. I gotta get her ticket too, though. Yeah, I gotta go get it.
Man, need a meaning, bruh. Come
Yeah.
on, that song.
We can do it on the boat. Do it on the boat.
But me and her just looking out at the
Yeah.
Make sure her ass don't get in it.
How many donuts I have in
Oh,
here?
she crazy about the donuts, girl.
She trying to eat my donuts.
How many?
She just snatched
All
my
right, James eating everything.
That's
They gave me
That's enough of them. Mama Nita said that's enough of them.
That's mine. They trying to take mine. Something I bit off.
Beignet, we bumping for beignets. We gonna bump for beignets.
Don't mess with the sweets.
Don't mess with the sweets.
Y'all, she almost she trying to feed us big.
Mama Nita, what you said? Don't mess with
She
the
didn't eat
sweets.
food.
Nothing about food.
She ate more than us. She ate more than us. Talk supposed to go.
I had my son to tell Walter that one time.
You ate all the
You
donuts.
didn't bring us no donuts. That's why we mad with you, Daddy. We raised up all night from donuts.
Casey was saying that. Casey used to tell my dad that. I'm with them donuts.
Yeah.
That. Never come through with them donuts.
Need them donuts.
Yeah.
Eat all the donuts.
Hey, that's real shit, boy. I used to like them too. I ain't gonna lie. I used to like them too, boy. Like them donuts, though.
8 years this man don't know it yet. 8 years. No way. You got to go.
Oh, man, it's classic.
8 years, James, and you don't know that.
She gonna mess with your sweet
Yeah,
So you don't never buy? I'm going to mess with
stuff.
you.
But she gonna mess with yours.
Oh, I'm going to never fuck
You just snatch her shit.
That wasn't her.
My auntie is crazy. Almost snapped.
That shit funny. We live.
Yeah, James, he told us something right, y'all. The line was way, you had to get a line. We didn't know.
He got some
James
type of
got all
common
the
sense, y'all.
skills, so don't play with him.
Yeah.
sit down, whatever.
My friend got all the skills, so don't play with him.
Yeah.
Don't play with this man, he got all the skills.
Now give her a kiss, guys. Give her a kiss, guys.
He got all the skills.
Now let me walk see this.
Yeah.
That's what she
They
said.
about to go on a boat ride. They about to go on a boat ride together. They ever been on a boat ride before? Yeah, about to
Just been on, what?
boat ride.
We never been on a boat
Never
ride.
been. Okay. This is the first right here. This is the first right here.
Ask some more questions. Ask some more questions. He said,
Okay.
we this shit. Never been on a boat ride either.
Say it again.
You ever been on? Hold on. You ever been on the boat ride? You ever been on the boat ride? This your
Now,
first?
you say something.
No, I ain't never been. The YouTube shit.
Yeah.
My mama.
This YouTube right here.
Y'all
Yeah.
don't play with her. Don't play
Play,
with my
yeah.
auntie.
Show off the shades. You got to show the shades off now. We got to show the shades off.
Oh, look at my shit.
Them shades looking good on her. They looking good on her. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Stop right there and then start over.
Yeah, I'm stop it.
Stop taking our picture.
That part. I'm cool.
Welcome aboard.
We is having lunch, huh?
What he said? What she said again?
Somebody having lunch.
She said I'm gonna eat with her.
What's up?
Yeah. 2025 Mardi Gras was blessed, man. Love my city, man.
Shit, it was long.
Y'all, it's amazing. It's the Terry Award. It's the ferry boat. Ferry boat taking you all the way over.
That makes sense. Let's zoom in on it. Let's zoom in on it.
I see you in James.
Mississippi Connection.
I see you in James.
These are two of the local bridges that each bridge has had 10 bridge carriers on water. And their men and stand are licensed for 10 and
Besides the muddy water, but if we don't get this muddy water, then you ain't gonna have the crawfish and shit. You ain't gonna have all that.
The Down River Bridge is a recent service with new bridge on the completed back in 1988 cost us $500 million. The second bridge, the Eagle Bridge, built back in 1960.
Sorry guys, thank you.
Both bridges carried over 190,000 vehicles across. There's good traffic. Ships come in from the Bahamas, the Caribbean, It's a big cruise ship. That's what we got. Now the next bridge is the Huey P. Long built back in 1935, and it carries both cars and railroad over the Mississippi River. 4 miles off the river.
Just be ready. God say wait on him.
Yeah, see, are you good?
Benita, I know, huh? I like them little things, though. Benita and James, man, down there on a date, man. One of the dudes couldn't come through, so the producer was like, "Man, somebody else set it up."
That's silly,
Nita, baby, this one for you. Let me release this pain. Nita, baby, this one for you. You gotta go. I ain't grew up out of love like others. Niggas molested her against her will. 14, she was just a kid, for real. I grew up with her like sister and brother. Running these streets serving cluckers, and she became one of them. Had toy and they took her away. 3 more boys after that. Another girl that they wouldn't let stay. A broken household, I guess you could say. But if you never knew what crack could do, a kid raising kids don't play.